Yosukata has made an incredible wok. Some of the key features on this are that it's 13 and a half inches. So this is a big one, which is what you want, right? When it comes to that. The other great thing is that it's carbon steel. So it's going to last you a long time. The way the shape is designed is so that it can evenly disperse the heat. The other really cool feature is that it has a flat bottom, right? So not only can you use it on your stove, whether it be gas or electric, but you can also put it on your grill outside. Plus, you can even put it on an open fire. So it's multiple functional device. You can take this thing anywhere with you. If you're tailgating, take it with you. So the other cool feature is the handle. Take a look at that handle. Nice, big, easy to grip handle. Plus, it has the little handle on the opposite side to help you move it around or to turn it or twist it. But this handle is super comfortable. You're going to have a really, really strong grip with it. When your pan arrives, it's going to have some oil on there that is honestly there to protect it in storage and transportation. So you want to make sure you use some dishwash soap and get all of that stuff off of there. That way you can get ready to season it. Once you have it all washed, just grab a paper towel, make sure that it is thoroughly dried. Once you get it all cleaned up and ready to go, you want to apply some oil and just have your paper towel and wipe everything in there nice and evenly. One key thing to remember is that you want to preheat the wok. You want to make sure to avoid any kind of sharp temperature changes, so it's a slow, steady process. Look at how beautiful that is. It is absolutely stunning. When people see this, they're going to be super impressed. Now that we have it all seasoned up and it looks beautifully stunning, this blue is seriously absolutely like shocking how well this is made and how good it looks. Just put it on a low setting, let it kind of slowly build up. The way that it's shaped and designed, you're going to be able to keep a nice steady heat on it, and it's going to be evenly dispersed all throughout. Just make sure to slowly build it up. I want to show you how awesome and easy it is to cook on this. So I just got a little piece of chicken here. We're just going to put some salt and pepper on him and let him get going. The fun part about this, honestly, is cooking with it because it cooks so well. Check out the non-sticky, right? It just slides around. Love that feature about it. Get it ready and flip it over. All that seasoning, if you prep it right, it's going to look absolutely phenomenal for you, plus non-stick. After you're done cooking, just rinse it and wash it with warm water. And then re-season it, and then you're going to be good to go. Make sure to dry it completely so there's no water left on it whatsoever. Front, back, sides, every single angle. Make sure it's super dry. Then you simply are going to just put more oil on it to season it and then rub it everywhere. So that way you keep your pan beautiful and it's ready to go for tomorrow when you're ready to use it again. Season the front, back, sides, every which direction. So it looks beautiful and it's going to last you forever. Love the fact that it has such a beautiful, absolutely stunning, beautiful design.